Hi friends, this is Madhu from the Money Breeder. Today I wanted to discuss about one interesting stock which is Reliance. Before going into the stock, this is the standard disclaimer. I am not a SEBI registered analyst or advisor. Before taking into any position, please do your own research. Coming to the Reliance chart, technically this chart is looking very interesting very interesting things. I was seeing in this talk. If we see here, right, it is forming the W patterns every time. Okay, every time it is forming the W pattern. Here also, if we see, this is one W pattern. Okay, here also we see one W pattern. Here also, if we see, this is another W pattern. Okay, there are a couple of W patterns which is forming. And also I am expecting this may go here and it may form one more W pattern in near future. That is what my expectation. And also what I am seeing is here is, let me draw the one projection line, okay, by adding all the highs. Okay, if we see, this is the projection line, right? Okay, I see, to be clarity for the patterns, right, just I am trying to draw the line. Okay, if we try to draw the lines, every time it is forming the very nice pattern it is forming. And also if we observe right here, this is the lowest point, this is the lower, this is the lower, this is the lowest point. If we see, every time whenever the lower is forming, okay, this lower is higher than previous low. That means higher lows it is forming. Okay, this is one interesting thing I am observing in this stock. And the second interesting thing is, okay, if we see this, right, okay, let us see where next W pattern may form. Okay, if we see below also, it is nicely moving. If we see, this is nicely moving in the channel. Okay, nicely moving in the channel. It may go like this. And also one more thing is very interesting. If we see, this is the very interesting. This is very interesting. Okay, same, very interesting. What happened? It is forming like a ladder. It is climbing the price. Maybe next level it may form here, create one W. Okay, this is the price. It may go like this. So if we see, this is the level where it is having around more than 3000 points. That means there is a probability of moving to the 3000 levels. This stock may trade in the coming near future. Okay, this is what I am seeing, very interesting things in this chart. And also last time also I mentioned in my Telegram channel, saying that when there was a big crash, right, there was a big crash, I clearly stated that day. Okay friends, as you know, Reliance had big fall, but from the option data I don't see any much bearishness. Okay, I feel this it's kind of a emotion triggered in the traders and sold out. I feel it's a good time to take the entry in this price level. Just it's my personal opinion. I have added 20 stocks yesterday and also made broken wing iron fly. This is the broken wing fly I made, and I booked some around 5 to 6,000 rupees profit in this stock. So my entry levels for this stock was, maybe you may think like, this guy is giving the stock, is talking about the stocks and how he is making the money. All those questions might be there. For that I wanted to give you my details where I took the entry in the Reliance. Okay, my entry is 2439 is my entry. As of now I am 8% profit. Okay, and also all these things are my stocks. If you see, Okay, only 4 stocks having the negative. I may trade in the Davis Lab. In the F&O segment, I will close this last one fine day. I am looking for the opportunity in this company. So coming to the Reliance, okay, this is looking very interesting. This is what I would like to discuss with you guys, and same thing I discussed here also. If we see, it got breakout, clear breakout, and went up, clear breakout, went up. Here also, now if we see the range, right, this is the weekly previous high, this is the previous high. Already this got broken the previous high. Okay, this got broken the previous high. One can be looked with the stop loss of, this is the very huge stop loss. Okay, we cannot put this much stop loss because it is like 300 400 points stop loss is there. This is the once small. Now there is no proper risk reward here. You can go for the daily time frame. In the daily time frame, we can look this is the previous low. We can put still 2530 is the stop loss. Around 100 points stop loss is there with the target of first target of 2850. Then it may go to the, as you know, Reliance is the standard company. You can hold for the longer time also. It's not a problem. Okay, thank you friends.